Good morning, my name's Ian. I'm about to show you exploding Tim Tam biscuits. You need Tim Tams, hot coffee or hot chocolate. I don't think tea would work well. I've never tried this before. I don't know what the temperature of this is like. Perfect. This is how we do it. Get your Tim Tam, we bite off one corner. Then the opposite diagonal corner. Then you dip it in your coffee and suck all the coffee up inside the biscuit. Oh, you do have to try that.
That's not exploding.
It just melts in your mouth. It's fucking wicked.
See, I was hoping for an explosion, like kaboom.
You so have to try it. I'm so going to have another one. That is fucking good.
So can we set something on fire now?
You burn paper. This is so good.
You gonna try it, Michael?
Yeah.
Oh.
That is the best sensation. That just melts all over your tongue.
Not for you, Michael?